Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Giram Permana. I'm from Technical Engineering 20, Regular A. I'm here to make presentation of my paper. So let's get into it. Okay, in the abstract, along with the development of technology, humans continue to grow. Number continue to grow, including programming language with language used to give commands to computer. Where this time programming language is method must be used in various fields you can work effectively and efficiently. So that's where Python get in. That's where the Python used. That's what the world need. That's the Python. So what's the Python? Python is programming language. It's a language that can be used with various things, was accorded with need of society desire and technologies development. Okay, next. In the introduction, I'm describe many. So first, what is programming language? Programming language is a formal language comprising a set of things that produce various kind of machine code output. Programming language are one kind of computer language and not used in computer programming to implement algorithms. Next, in the programming language, uh, which is many of them, 1,000 of them, I choose the Python language. So what is Python language? Python is interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. Python is designed philosophy emphasizes code readability with the notable use of significant identification. Its language construct as well as its object-oriented programming approach aimed to help programmers write clear, logical code for small and large projects. Next, why Python is so popular? Based on site on PIPL, PYPL, GitHub.io, Pistern, Python is ranked first of list per June 2021. So what make it popular? So the first, it's easy to learn and easy to use. The second, supportive and mature community. It's the biggest community in the world who learn Python. Okay, the third, number of libraries and framework according to the field work. So there's many framework libraries for simplify your work. Okay, and four, versatility, efficiency, reliability, and speed. Okay, next, methodology. For this paper, I describe the methodology involved to identify and classify relevant works for the study. The methodology covers one, the online site check the online site, other paper, other article, so collection processing data. I collect all of them, I process them, and screening process. And I screening to check which parts I can take to my paper. Okay, and the result. Let's get to definition of Python. Okay, introduction. I described Python as a programming language that can execute a number of multi-purpose instructions directly and interpretably with object-oriented programming methods, or and uses dynamic semantic to provide a level of readability. Other define Python as a capable language, combining compatibility and a particular code syntax, as well as being equipped with large and comprehensive standard library functionality. Although Python is classified as a high-level programming language, in fact, Python is designed in such a way it is easy to learn and understand. That's one of the reasons make Python so popular. It's easy to learn and understand. So Python itself has interesting features that are worth learning about. First, Python is a very easy grammar script to learn. Python also has an automated memory and data management system. In addition, the models in Python are always updated. Plus, Python also has a lot of super facilities. Python is widely applied to various operating systems such as Linux, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Android, Symbian OS, Amiga, Palm, and others. Python was created and developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python was further developed to be accountable by Guido van Rossum. Furthermore, in early 2000, there was an update of the Python version until it reached version 3 today. Right now, Python has reached version 3. The choice in Python itself is taken from a fairly well-known television show called Monty Python Flying Circus, which is Guido van Rossum's favorite circus show. Okay, next, Python advantage. Many people are interested in using Python because it is considered easy to learn, even by beginners. Because it's easy to read and can perform any complex function easily because of the large number of standard libraries. Program development in Python can also done quickly and uses less code. Even Python is capable of making very complex scale programs easy. Python itself supports multi-platform and multi-system and has an automatic memory management system like Java. Java is also best programming language in the world, but they are little complicated. Now the next, Python programming language uses. So what for we learn Python? So what for Python uses? Okay, let's go first. Website deployment, IoT deployment, data mining, machine learning deployment, game deployment, Python for fintech. In web deployment, we can use tools like Django Framework, CherryPy, Flask, and others. There's many tools for using Python for website development. In IoT development, another thing that should important to Python is for development of the IoT, Internet of Things. It's a system where various objects and equipment can communicate with each other with internet devices. To develop this, Python is because of its ease and flexibility, and tool you can use for it is Arduino IDE, Raspberry, and other else for data mining. Okay, this may be mainly platform, mainly programming language you can use for data mining. Another thing it's included is usefulness of Python of data management and cleaning. Python is considered to be one of the best programming language to work with it. In addition, machine learning with Python simplifies and analyzes by using algorithms, and the tool you can use for it is Pandas, Jupyter, and many others, many libraries for you can use for data mining. Okay, machine learning still related to data mining. Running machine learning will require a variety of data to be input. First, incoming data are then processed to become an action performed to be machine. In the process, to make this process easier, the Python programming language was used. Okay, the tool you can use for machine learning development is NumPy and SciPy, and other else. There's many of them. Sorry. Okay, and next I have game development. Okay, yes, of course, Python can be used for game development. Apparently, Python is also useful for developing the games you play. In Python, there's a program called GUI, Graphical User Interface, allow people to interact with computer using visual elements such as icon or image instead of text-based comments. This make the game you play more attractive and challenging. Okay, tool you can use it like Pygame or PyChyra and other else. It's many platform. Okay, last minute, the last of this list. Python for fintech. Okay, sorry. The importance of Python is reflected in the development of fintechs by using Python application and by various features in fintechs will be more secure. In addition, because fintech require pass operation, Python is used along with its ability to support it. So you can use it like Zofa, Figo, and others. Okay, conclusion. Python is high-level programming language created by and developed by Guido van Rossum in 1990. It just continues to grow with many libraries and frameworks that can be used for various things. Along with the development of technology, the Python programming language can now be used for various things such as web programming. By using the Django framework or data mining using the Jupyter tool. And does not rule out the possibility then that in the future the Python programming language can continue to grow and continue to develop for better technologies. Okay, maybe that's it. This is the reference. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry for many mistakes on this video. I hope you can give me a feedback that make me grow. Okay, thanks for watching this video. like if you like it, dislike if you don't like it. It's me Gilang Permana. See you in the next video. Bila taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi